the bonus for me.
I love. Is the boldy for me? That's hilarious. You already know, got that Michael Jordan. You gotta say what the boy head out here. You feel me?
Man.
23? You wish she was 20. You 23?
Yes.
No, she not.
No, I'm 20.
20? Damn, I'm old, girl.
How old are
You
you?
30.
40?
40? Wow. You trying to cut my ass? 40?
50.
Damn.
Damn, nah, I'm 32. I'm mad. I got my chat up. Nah, I'm 32.
What you doing on this app?
Right.
If you don't get on Black People Meet,
Yo, that's a fact. What is that? That BET shit, right? I don't know. Yo, I don't know. Tell me if it. Yo, that's a fact. I don't know. I don't know how to ask it. Oh, I see you with the bonnet on. Got to keep the head tight, the hair right. See, I'm bald, so I don't gotta worry about that. I used to wear those shits back in the days. At time, I don't see no fucking timer. Remember back in the days, the shit had the timer, bro.
He probably does.
That's how that shit go. Balls, hey, whoa.
What's good, Megamind?
Mega Mind, wow, trying to cut my ass. Well, I got that Mega Mind head. Wow. They don't let me snap back quick enough, man. They keep on hanging up this video, G's. I don't know. Tamarick United USA. Yeah, I don't know nothing about no global man. I don't even know where you from, girl. What is tamarick? Turmeric? Ain't turmeric a seasoning? A fucking spice? What the fuck is that? All these weird ass fucking places people from. What the hell is a turmeric?
Nigga.
What up? What up? How you say that shit though?
Nigga, you said it wrong, first of all. It's Tamarack,
Tamarick.
first of all.
All right, got you.
Tamarack is down the street from Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, some Florida shit.
Yes,
Got you,
it's on
got you,
Florida Street. So
got
yeah,
you.
talk about turmeric.
Yeah, I ain't know what the fuck was going on. Come on. Come. Whoa. What's good, shorty? She's scared. Yo, I'm dead. It's a fact.
Who?
Yo.
Bitch, you got me fucked up, bitch. You look like a fucking fag. Every time you so I can roast the fuck out of your motherfucking big lip ass
What?
motherfucking. I know my fucking pussy lips pinker than yours, but them some big ass pussy lips. I know you know how to eat some good
I'm,
ass pussy. So come on, cause if you put your lips on your fucking face next to my pussy lips, oh
uh-huh.
baby, it's gonna be
Yeah,
it's gonna kind of look
yeah.
alike. Cause
Wait. Your pussy that good though?
baby, it's real good.
It's real.
My pussy is great.
Okay. Okay. That's what you think?
I got some piercings down there and shit. Fuck, you gonna have.
Wow.
And
How's the head game
I got
though?
that booty hole pierced for you.
Or oh,
You
that's
can get
the
a like me.
how's
Ooh.
how's your head game though? That's good too. Or
Oh no, I don't suck dick. Who does that? I'm from
what?
Mississippi. I don't suck dick.
That's the wave. That's what you gotta do. What you mean?
No, I'm from Mississippi. I don't suck dick.
Y'all don't do that out there?
I don't know what they do. I don't do that out here. No.
Damn, yeah. I gotta make sure I don't go to Mississippi. Then I gotta pass right through that
No, but
motherfucker.
I'm a poly girl. I'm a poly girl. You know, we can get another girl. I'm gonna eat some pussy now, and
Oh,
I
okay.
make
You
my girlfriend, girl, my girlfriend, well, our
like
girlfriend, 'cause daddy did.
your
I'm like, yeah, I'm like, daddy, yeah, that's right. Daddy, eat my pussy while this bitch eat your dick, and let me help her out, daddy.
So your girl got a girlfriend? I see that.
No, no, no. Our girl
Oh,
is our girl.
oh shit. Oh, you doing it
And
like
that's a friend.
you doing it out here? You lit. I
And
gotta
look
come
like
out there.
make sure y'all go add me as a friend on Facebook at Brill Brill BRIL. Yes, let me put
Yeah.
the
I, I see
yes.
you promote. What's the Instagram though? What's good?
Okay, my Instagram. Let me tell you. Hold on. Let me find it. This is my Instagram right here.
Oh, girl, I can't
Hold
see that. The reflection is crazy. You gotta like tell me what that shit is. What the fuck? Nah, I can't read that.
So you can't read that?
Nah, I can't read that shit.
It's
Some
304
oh
304 on the go 1991
wait. 304.
on the go. So 304 O for on,
Yeah.
N for nasty, T for tight, H for hammer, E for ebony,
I
G for good,
good.
O, uh-huh,
Extra good.
O
Okay.
for on, 1991. Mm-hmm.
All right, we about to look you up, girl. What's up?
Make sure you look me up. 304 on the go.
Got you. What you like a stripper or something? What you do?
I could be daddy stripper.
Yo, word. So
I'm
I
a
just gotta have
304
the
go.
I gotta have the
I'm a
bread to fly you out.
I'm a hoe on the go.
Oh, you a
Fly
whole
me
one?
out.
Wow. How much you charging though? What's up?
Oh no, I don't do that, baby. Not like that kind of hoe. Like,
You said
I love women like that. Like I'm a hoe that search for my next bitch. You know what I'm saying? The
got you.
search
Got
for the bitch. You know what I'm saying, man?
got
Yeah, man. I'm
got,
not one of them. I don't charge shit, baby. It
got
ain't
you.
no free, but I don't give it up for free either. You know what I'm
Oh,
saying?
so
Cause
you got to pay for that shit.
now
Yeah.
you laid over there and gotta fly
Yeah.
me out, so you know I ain't fucked in a couple of years now. So fuck
You ain't fucked
shit.
for a couple
I'm gonna hold you
years.
now with that shit and with that pussy. Like now, been like a whole fucking couple of years. Shit, damn.
Wait, you didn't have sex for how long?
Maybe like 3 years.
So
That's
how?
how long we've been locked up.
Oh, your man's is locked up.
I mean, he was, but I left him for you. I mean, act like you know what's up.
Nah, I don't know what's up.
Anyways, just
That's
hit me on
that.
Instagram.
Yo, yo, I'm